Baking soda uses within the garden. Baking soda can be used in cooking, in cosmetics, but for the maintenance of the home. Nevertheless, its role doesn't finish there. Baking soda for plants may be used. 100% environmental. Baking soda may be used at any season, in each and every corner from the garden. It's biodegradable and non-toxic. It's really a slight substitute for that pesticides, fertilizers along with other chemicals you use inside your garden. Sweeter tomatoes. Sprinkle a tiny bit of baking soda around the bottom of your tomato vegetables. The baking soda is going to be made available to the soil and lowers the acidity degree of tomatoes, thus provides you with sweeter than tart flavor. Clean outdoor furniture. Add 1/2 cup baking soda and 1 teaspoon dishwashing liquid inside a gallon of warm water. Have a sponge and clean your garden furniture by using it after rinse it with clear water. Give plants a lift. Combine together 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon clear ammonia and 1 teaspoon Epsom salt inside a gallon water. Combine well and provide each plant in regards to a quart from the solution. This solution will act as a fertilizer. The plants which are searching dull and growing gradually will improve, refresh their growth and be lush, eco-friendly.